Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. CSS 2017 Pakistan Affairs Question 6. Enumerate the measures adopted by HEC for promotion of higher education and qualitative research in Pakistan. Introduction. The Higher Education Commission HEC is the primary regulatory body responsible for promotion and development of higher education in Pakistan. The HEC has undertaken several measures to promote higher education and qualitative research in the country. Some of the key measures adopted by HEC are: first one is the HEC has taken several initiatives to promote quality education in Pakistan. The Commission has introduced accreditation and quality assurance mechanisms for universities and degree programs. This has helped to improve the quality of higher education and increase the employability of graduates. Second one is the HEC provides scholarships and funding for students to pursue the higher education and research in Pakistan and abroad. This includes the provision of research grants and support for doctoral programs, postdoctoral fellowships, and international collaborations. Third one is the HEC has also taken measures to improve the quality of teaching and research in universities by supporting the professional development of faculty members. This includes the provision of training programs, workshops, and conferences to enhance their skills and knowledge. Fourth one, the HEC has invested heavily in developing research infrastructure in Pakistan, including the establishment of research centers, laboratories, and libraries. This has helped to create an environment conducive to quality research and innovation. Fifth one is the HEC has established collaborations with universities and research institutions in other countries to promote research and exchange of knowledge. This has facilitated access to international research facilities, funding, and expertise, leading to significant advancements in research in Pakistan. Sixth one is the HEC has introduced a ranking system for universities and degree programs in Pakistan. This has created a competitive environment among universities, leading to increased quality of education and research in the country. In conclusion, the HEC has taken several measures to promote higher education and quality research in Pakistan. The Commission's efforts have contributed significantly to the development of vibrant academic culture, increased research output, and improved quality of higher education in the country. Thank you for watching. You can also click on related articles. Allah Hafiz.